guys, it's Ohwge and welcome back or welcome to my channel. So we all know it's Pride Month and there are rainbow makeup looks everywhere. So I thought I would do something different. Instead of doing a whole rainbow look, I decided to break the rainbow down into all its colors and take each color to create a single monochromatic look, which I have done for the past couple of days. And today is the last day, the final color. I'm going to be using purple. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so I have my base down and now I can move on to the eyes. As usual, I'm prepping with my LGBTQ Pro Concealer in pure beige. Now I'm just blending in the concealer with my trusty Makeup For You professional palette. I'm taking this purple shade right here. I'm going to swipe that across my lid, the top part of crease. Now I'm just going to take this pink shade here. I'm going to use this to blend the top right here. Now that's all blended out. Next, I'm taking my LGBTQ Pro Concealer again. I'm going to cut my crease a bit to see how this goes. You guys know cut creases are not my strong suit. So, I don't even know why I'm doing this, but so now I'm going to take this Jelly Matte Shadow from ColourPop. This shade is called Spindle. That is what it looks like. So I'm just taking a small brush to place it in the inner corner. So next I'm using this palette, the Misunderstood palette from ColourPop, and I'm going to take this shade Forest of Thorns and I'm going to put that right after the Jelly Matte Shadow. I'm creating a little line and connecting it to the outside. Okay, I'm going to take this palette again, taking this pink shade which I used to blend. I'm going to put that in the center. Let's see how that looks. You guys, half the time I don't even know what I'm doing, like now. I feel like this looks a little more pink than purple. So, I'm gonna take this shade here. It's a deep purple shade. And I'm going to go over the top of the crease. Blend. Before I move on, I'm just going to dust under my eyes. Next up, lashes. So I'm going to use my mascara. Okay, so now I'm just going to bronze up my face. So I'm just going to brighten under my eyes a little bit with my Classic Makeup pressed powder. This shade is Pure Light. Moving on, I'm taking my Classic Makeup powder in the shade Light. I'm just going to powder my whole face. Now for lips, first off I'm going to wipe. So what shade of lipstick should I go for? Like super dark or light? For a change, I have so many shades of purple. So, I have this one from Inglot. I think I'm going to bring it down a notch. So I'm going to try this Ursula matte lip from ColourPop on the outer corner. A little more of this shade. I'm just kind of trying to blend it in some more. This is what it looks like. Now on to the highlight. To highlight, I'm taking this Super Shock highlighter from the Disney Villains collection with ColourPop. This shade is Everybody's Got a Weakness. That's what it looks like. Okay. I like this soft shimmer. finally. So guys, this is it. This is the finished look, and let me know how I did with this purple situation. And yeah, this is the last video for this series, and it is also the last day of the month, the last day officially of Pride Month. But that doesn't mean we stop supporting the community. Doesn't matter whether you're part of it or not, you have to always show love no matter what, and not just for this month but for always. So yeah, that is it guys. Thank you so much for watching, for hanging out with me these past few days. If you haven't already, do give me a like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Of course, leave me a nice little comment in the comment section, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.